Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a scientist? Today we are here at the Imagination Institute to find out. Come along with us. Welcome to Wonder by Wonder. My name is Ashley, and the first thing we're gonna do is take a ride through the Institute. Let's go!
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello! On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd. Hello?
Hello.
Who is this?
It's Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things. From just a sound, your mind has wings. Imagination works best when it's set free. Just turn your imagination loose and anything can happen.
Figment? Figment? Oh, he's gone. Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Figment, don't! Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc, the nose knows. What awful lift can send you reeling. What lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind be fine. Skunk is not a road.
You know, I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea! We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
Figment, what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I made my house an innovation. Imagination really bounds around. Things come right up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So what do you think? Is it
more than you can imagine.
But Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain's open house.
Oh, of course. Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, Clement. It's time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut.
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Our inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything that's new.
Hopefully you got to see and hear some amazing things on that tour. So what does a scientist do? There are two major things that constitute what a scientist does. The first is observation. Observation is a really long word, but it means using our 5 major senses to gather information about the world around us. What we see, what we hear, what we smell, what we touch, and what we taste. Now, sometimes you shouldn't use some of those senses to gather information, like touching fire or eating paper. But we're about to do something pretty cool that you can use all 5 senses for. Come along with me. Let's use our 5 senses to observe things about this. The first sense that we're going to use is hearing. It's pretty loud in here, but I hope that you can hear the crinkling of this wrapper. I'm going to open it up. And oh yeah, float. Hi, Mickey Bar. With my sense of sight, I'm going to see that it is brown and has a wooden stick. And I'm gonna take a bite. So good. So now you can see that it's white on the inside for the ice cream, and it's brown on the outside for chocolate. It tastes so good. And smells like vanilla and chocolate. Also, if I touch it, it's pretty cold. Notice something awesome about our brains. I don't have to tell myself, don't bite the stick. Because I use my sense of touch to touch the wooden stick, and I can feel it with my mouth and see it with my eyes, my brain takes in these observations and makes the decision to not bite the stick all on its own. That means that anytime we're taking in or observing something, we're bringing that information into our brains so that we can use it to make decisions or to learn new things. Our brains are so awesome, and that's one of the best reasons to keep observing. The second thing that a scientist does is experimentation. That's another long word, but it just means to try new things out to gather more information. So a scientist will start by asking a question like, I wonder how they grow lima beans. I wonder why I have to eat lima beans. I wonder what would happen if I hid my lima beans under my napkin and didn't eat them. Then they set out to answer them. Now, sometimes you can find the answers from things that someone can tell you that they've already learned, or you can look in a book. Other times, you have to try it out and see what happens. Let's head back into the Institute so I can show you what I mean. Here at the ImageWorks lab, there's so many fun things you can do. Let's go inside and check it out. In this area, you can play a musical instrument, but not by actually touching the instrument. You just wave your hands. And this is where experimentation comes into play. We start by saying, I wonder if. Like, I wonder if I move my arms up high. And then we observe and see what happens. Let's try it. I wonder if I move my arms up high. Did you see what happened to Figment? I wonder what would happen if I moved my arms down low. Did you see and hear that? How about if I move my arms side to side? Okay, how about really fast? And really slow. Were the results what you expected? Guess what? You just completed your first experiment. You may have noticed something about that experiment. You may be thinking, I ask questions like that every single day. What if I kick my soccer ball a little to the left? Goal! What if I try strawberry jelly instead of grape jelly? Both are yummy. What if I climb that box? Oops, I fell. These questions and finding out the answers are observation and experimentation. Guess what? This means that you are a scientist. A scientist is studying to learn new information, and you do that all the time. Scientists often group the things that they study about. The suffix ology means the study of. So when we see the word biology, we know it's the study of. And then the bio part comes from the Greek word for life. So it's biology means the study of living things. Paleontology means the study of fossils. Mycology means the study of fungi, like mushrooms. Can you guess what zoology means? That's right, it's the study of animals. Whether you're studying horology, the study of time, or how to get gum out of your hair, you are a scientist. I hope you'll join us as we bring you more videos of observation and experimentation here at Walt Disney World. What's your favorite thing to study? Let us know in the comments. And all you scientists out there, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel, Wonder by Wonder. It's free, so that we can keep learning together. I wonder what we'll discover next time. Bye!